What up, YouTube? This is Officer Gatorman Jones. Back to you with another video on a how-to. So today we're going to learn how to install a bidet. Now, I got a bidet last year for a Secret Santa. My coworker actually gave it to me. It's been a year, and I haven't installed it just yet because I've been procrastinating. But today we're actually going to install it together, so you can actually watch me teach you how to learn how I put a bidet together. So we'll see if it works. Hopefully it does, and hopefully I don't flood my entire bathroom. So stick around. We'll get right to it. All right, so first we're going to do is we're going to read the instructions. Now, don't you lie to yourself. You know you read the instructions. I know some men are like, I would never read the instructions. I'd never do directions. Bull. You know you read these instructions. Even with Legos, you will read those instructions. I'll be darned if I mess up my toilet and then I got to pay someone else to come fix it. So I'll read these instructions. So don't say, oh, Jones, you're not a man because you're reading the instructions. No, I'm smart because I'm reading the instructions. So first things first, we're going to read the instructions. Alright, so it looks like it's pretty simple. All the accessories. I have to get a wrench and a screwdriver, which I have. And then we're pretty much going to remove the toilet seat, turn off the water, flush the tank, get all the water out, and take the exit pipe. Take out exit water pipe. Alright, seems simple enough. And then we put this underneath the toilet seat, screw it back in, and screw everything else back in. So it seems pretty simple. We'll actually see how simple it is when I eventually mess something up. Now I got my tools set up. So I have this right here. It's the end of the screwdriver for the most part, but I have accessories. So it's at a flathead. So I got a couple of flatheads here. Let me get it in focus. So just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a tool guy, man's guy, whatever. So I'm going to misidentify all these tools, but I do have a bag of tools, and I have a brother-in-law and father-in-law that will definitely help me out if I need it. We got the adjustable wrench. We got another, I'm going to call it a wrench too, but I'm sure it's not called a wrench, but we got that as well. So we got all the tools we need for the most part. I got more tools in the garage, but essentially this is what we're actually going to do. And first step, I believe, was to actually remove the toilet lid from the toilet. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the toilet seat. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and remove the toilet seat. That's step number one. So I'm going to put you down a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. Put you right here. Now, disclaimer, I did clean my toilet, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. So let's go ahead and pop these things off. So behind the toilet seat, these little things right here. If I can do it right, there we go. That's where the, they said flathead, but we're going to use a Phillips head right there. We unscrew that and the toilet seat should come right off. Alright, so I got my screws right there. I'm going to go ahead and I'll get this one. It says it's going to be a PH2, Phillips head 2. I'm not sure what any of that means, but I imagine maybe 2 inches or so, but that doesn't look like 2 inches. But who knows? So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get that done if I can actually get it. There we go. So, lefty roosey, righty tighty. Click on that so we can go to left. Starting to get looser and looser. So what I did, the cool thing about this, it spins in one direction and it doesn't spin in the other. When I click it back, and it spins in the other direction, doesn't spin in that. So really cool tool right here. All right, next we can go with this one. There we go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, that should be loose enough. All right, let's go ahead and get it off. All right, wasn't loose enough. Round 2. Fun fact, my toilet seat just kind of slides off. So, you learn something new every day. All right, so let's see. Oh, hell, I guess we don't even really need to do that. All right, so underneath it, there'll be a little, I don't even know if y'all can see that. So underneath the toilet seat, you have these right there. You can hold on to them and unscrew them, which takes the whole thing off. Kind of hard to show you, so it's going to be a little bit. Hang tight. Alright, so this is what it looks like underneath. So you have this right here. I just unscrewed it, and the whole thing came off. And you'll just have to do it in reverse to put it back on. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But that's what it looks like. You can see it's done on this side. I just got to do it to this side. Alright, now that both are done, next step is to turn off the water valve. Alright, so this right here is going to be the water valve. We'll go ahead and turn that bad boy. That's on. Maybe this is off. I think that's off. So, because I had a brain fart. So when it's like this, it means the water is on. Because the water comes through. There's a little valve inside that keeps water going. When you turn it like this, the ball stops it and water can't get through. So essentially the water is now cut off. Alright, step C, we're going to flush the toilet and drain the tank completely. For those ever want to know what the inside of a tank look like, if you're ever curious, that's what it looks like. So I'm not going to sit here and lie to you, know exactly what it is, but you got the stopper right there. When this comes up, it pulls the stopper and water gets out. Water flushes there. This pulls up, letting water come in. But since the water is off, there should be no more water coming in. So if we did it correctly, we should have no more water coming in. So you can see right there, flushing it, closing it. Now usually the water would go psh and turn on, but we turned off the water. So this thing would come up, water would fill up, but that's not the case. So it would come up like this, water would fill up, but that's not the case. We do it again. All right. So, like I said, we're trying to get all the water drained out. Not sure if it means completely drained or just like this. I guess we'll figure it out together. All right. Up next is take out exiting water pipe. So, let's figure that out together, because your boy don't know anything about that. I would imagine it's the only pipe that's right there, but I've never actually taken it out before, so I don't know if water is going to spill everywhere. So just hang tight. All right, side note, my dog is here to supervise. Flynn, can you hold the instructions? Take. Flynn, take. Thank you. Just hold the instructions for me, please. What? No, I need those. Flynn, can you come back so I can have those? Flynn, can you bring that to me, please? Flynn, take. Take. Can you get it? There you go. Take. Bring it to me. Bring. Oh, don't rip it, you jerk. Flynn, stop it. Stop. You suck so bad. No, don't eat it. All right. So the important part that I didn't know how to do, he ripped it off. So this should be interesting. All right. So I'm going to assume I have to unscrew this to put the extender on and then screw it in. Stuff like that. So we're going to unscrew this. Hopefully water doesn't come pouring out. I believe all the water is out anyways, but we'll see. So I guess this is where you need to use a wrench, but my hands are a wrench. So let's go ahead and unscrew this. Please don't water come out. Please don't have water come out. Please don't have water come out. Okay, it's getting looser. Please don't have water come out. I think we're safe. I don't feel any water coming out. Nope, water's coming out. Okay, just barely. Alright. Alright. So, a little bit of water. That's okay. This is good drinking water. You can actually drink toilet water. Not the toilet water in here. I wouldn't recommend that. You can kind of see, I swear I cleaned. But I wouldn't recommend drinking that water. But technically, you can drink the water that's in here because it's fresh water. But I'm not a doctor, so I'm not sure if that's legit. Alright, so this is disconnected. Let's see what the next step is. All right, so it seems like the next step is going to install the bidet. So insert the rubber non-slip mats on the bottom of the bidet and place the circular mounting brackets on the bidet attachment. So fun fact, I didn't know how to spell bidet. That's how you spell bidet. It's literally how it sounds. So fun fact of the day, that's how you spell bidet. All right, so let's go ahead and install the butt spray thing. Alright, so from the instructions, if you guys can see that, we're going to put the rubber things on first. So So I try to do this one-handed. I might have to put this down. So I think it goes this way, and then you just push. Let's go ahead and whoop, it fits there, right here. There we go. All right, there you go. Let me clip into place. Beautiful. All right, next one. It's gonna be this one right here. Same thing, I'd imagine. Frowny face. All right, clip, squeeze. All right, perfection. Next,